Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you how to reverse a TikTok video or how to reverse a video and upload it to TikTok. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my latest videos. As the stage has been set, let's get started. So to upload a reverse video on TikTok or how to reverse a TikTok video, just open TikTok and click on the plus icon. Here you can record a new video by clicking on the camera icon at the center, or you can even upload the recorded video. So as of now, I already have a recorded video and I will upload it to the TikTok. So just tap on the upload button at the right side and go to the location where you have the recorded video and which you want to upload to TikTok. Just select that video and click on next button at the bottom. So this is a video which I want to upload in TikTok in a reverse way. So just first let's see how the video looks like. So this is a video which I want to upload in a reverse way on TikTok. So let's see how to reverse this video and upload it to TikTok. So just tap on the next button at the top right corner. And you could find an option called effects at the bottom. Just tap on it. And you could see few options like visual, sticker, transition, split, time. So click on the time option on the left side. And you could find an option called reverse. Just tap on it. And your reverse effect has been added to your TikTok video. You could see that the video is playing in the reverse way. Let me play again and you could see that the video is playing in the reverse way. Just click on the save option on the top right corner. Click on next at the bottom and click on post. And you could see the uploaded reverse video on the TikTok itself. So this is the reverse video which I uploaded to TikTok. So this is a simple way to reverse video on TikTok or how to upload a reverse video on TikTok. If you find this video useful, if you like this video useful, please like and share the video. And if you have anything more to add, please do comment below the video. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you soon.